My AC doesn't cool in enough, so we will need two things for refilling: gas and this material. You will find something like this on the right side of your car. First, there is air inside. That's why it doesn't. It's not gas. It's air inside. That's why it doesn't get cold enough. So let the air out. You can use anything you want. I'm going to just use my key. I'm going to let all air out. So one engine off, it shows 0. I'm going to turn on engine, AC fan on, and made it AC work. It's not cooling right now because no gas in. Car is on. After you start your car, it will show up a little bit. It's easy process, simple and quick. You can finish in 5 minutes. Turn on and made it upside down so gas can go better. This is perfect. I will stay like this, and good luck for you.